Everyone loves potato, but it really hasn't been introduced in Korea that long. Many scholars predict it was crossing through the China-North Korea border at Chuman in the early 19th century. Afterwards, the tubers have been cultivated mainly in the hills and mountain ranges of Gangwon province. And people there were utilizing potato to make their own star pancake. It is called gamjajeon, which has been becoming a specialty of that region. Gamja means potato and jeon means pancake. Recipe for gamjajeon is so simple. Prepare 2 potatoes, 1 tablespoon glutinous rice flour, but it can be substituted with potato starch in this recipe, or either you can just skip it. 3 tablespoon flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 70 ml sparkling water or just water instead. Are you ready to cook with me?